I should have posted this video months ago. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for the third week in a row. I feel like I have so much footage from all of the renos that we've been doing that I had to go through so much content, so many videos from all over, like my computer, my phone, my old phone, to find everything to make this video happen. So honestly, I'm probably missing a lot of content. As you guys know, we moved into our new home, and what you might not know is the first thing that we decided to put money into was our backyard. For Dee and I, our backyard was like the most important priority because I love summer and I like hate being cold. I literally cherish every single day that it's warm here in Ontario. So it was really important for us to have an outdoor space to hang out in. Also, it's kind of the whole reason we bought a house. We were just sick of having like a small balcony in the city and not having outdoor space. So for those reasons, putting money into our backyard was like the most important thing and what we did first. And I'm so happy we did it because it's beautiful and we've enjoyed it and I can't wait for you to see. So when we first moved in, the backyard was like actual trash. And like when I say that, like, yeah, it was ugly, but there was actually garbage. Like we demoed the old rotting deck that was back there, and underneath it was like all garbage. There were a bunch of trees in the backyard that we had to take down. There was like a chain link fence. It had never been well kept back there. So like we basically had to just like remove everything, demolish everything, and start from scratch. And we didn't work. Levi, come on. Levi was actually right to bark. I had a package. A lot of people ask like how we designed it, how we planned it out, and honestly, I spent hours on Pinterest and I designed it myself. And I gave the contractor we found just basically a PDF with exactly what I wanted, like with little notes about like how I want certain things, what size I want certain things, and I'll just show you. Like I sent him this. And like, I think from day one, he was like, okay, this girl is nuts, because people don't like send their contractors PDFs like this. I knew that I wanted a fence that was horizontal. I knew I wanted a really big deck to entertain. Honestly, my tips to you guys, if you're not gonna hire a designer, also, they're pretty expensive, is to just spend all of your time on Pinterest, gather a whole bunch of inspo of what you like, and really organize like what you think would fit in your space, what you'd like, all that fun stuff. That's what I did, and it worked out really well for me. Also, something that I don't show you we did in this video, but like you'll see that it happened at some point, is we painted the entire exterior of our home. So it was like this ugly salmon pink color. I think it's ugly. I'm sure other people like their homes that color, but I did not. And so we painted it white and did all of the trim in black. And honestly, that made the biggest difference in terms of the overall look. We also painted our shed a white color and made the doors like a cute sage green. And those two things, just like painting the exterior of the buildings, makes the whole space just look like it's something completely different. Like it looks like a little California oasis back there, even though we're in boring Ontario. But yeah, so you're just gonna see a bunch of before videos and then a little bit from each day as it was happening, and then a tour of what it looks like now. And I'm really proud of it. I hope you guys love it. If you have any questions whatsoever, comment below. Also, you can DM me on Instagram, and if I get a lot of questions about it, I'll make a whole nother video doing a Q&A about our backyard reno, but just let me know what you want to see. Backyard reno. I feel like, okay, I'm gonna say not too much happened, but it just doesn't look very different, but a lot did happen. So we actually have a back of a fence now, and then all of the deck posts are cemented and they're gonna level this out tomorrow. What else did they do? Oh, they outlined our cement pad. I can't speak today, but I'll just show you videos. It's looking very good. Okay, update on day 3. We're fully fenced in now. So all sides are up. We just don't have a gate yet. And the first, like, I don't even know what this is. The deck's almost ready to start being built. I don't know. And then the concrete pad is like all set and ready to go. But yeah, it's getting like really good. Day 4. That's gonna be a big freaking deck. Oh my god. And our concrete pad is done. So excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved it. I'm really proud of our backyard, and if you have any questions at all, just comment below. I will do a Q&A about our renovation if there's enough interest. But I think the next video just might be our kitchen reveal, so stay tuned.